not running. Model number is wait, no, that's not the model number is RAWL-090CAZ, and the serial number is 775F26110347, and it was installed in June of 2011. You can see, just gonna focus. You can see everything inside of there. There's the unit itself, Rheem. It's the data sheet. Here's the line set, and let's see. I guess the compressor is in here somewhere, huh? You know what? This thing doesn't even have a compressor in it. It doesn't look like. I don't know. It probably does somewhere. I just can't see it. And I don't know what the heck these things are. This might be refrigerating units. There's the disconnect box right there. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.